So I have Akil here, and you came in. How many hours? Where did you come from?
I came from Metro Atlanta area, so yeah,
How many
pretty.
hours away?
That's about 10.5 hours,
Ten and a
man.
half
You
hours.
had
Was it
me.
worth it?
It was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
You had me, driving a little bit in ways, but definitely worth it. I'm
Yeah.
very happy with everything. Yeah.
So, out of all 3 days, the business and marketing class on Friday,
Hmm.
Saturday, the paint correction, ceramic coating, today, the interior cleaning, detailing, and the headlight restoration. Out of all 3 days, what are some of the high points of your weekend here that you'd like to mention?
Well, it was a weekend of high points. It all was amazing. I feel like, but I'm a business guy, and that Friday, the business they had me like that's You know, I just love getting into that kind of stuff, and it was you're very descriptive with everything and
Sure.
knowledgeable. Though I've already owned other
Sure.
things, right?
You're a successful
Just
musician. You've recorded your own music. It's
yeah,
awesome. And we had the chance to listen to some of your music
yeah,
this weekend.
yeah, and I appreciate that. And I just feel like what I knew is nothing compared to what I learned here. So
Gotcha.
I'm definitely always open to learning, and that was very good
Thank
for
you.
me.
What about the hands-on training for the weekend?
The hands-on was amazing. Being that I've never like detailed a vehicle, myself, I feel like it's a lot to take in, right?
Sure.
But I learned so much, and I feel like this sped up the success and the process of me opening my business and
Sure.
doing things and not making certain mistakes that I probably would have made.
Shortens the learning curve.
Yeah, for sure. So
Excellent. So it was worth it coming.
it was definitely worth coming. I mean, I feel like this is my residence now.
My man. Would you refer others to come to our class as long as they're not a competitor?
You know what? I definitely would. I mean, I don't look at people as competitors
Right.
like that. Really, I
Right.
just, I'm happy for everyone because we
Sure.
all can make it. It's
Me
money out
too.
here, but I definitely would recommend having people
Absolutely.
coming. Yeah.
Well, you are now Detail
I am,
Czar
baby. Yeah.
certified, my man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Great
Thank you so
student.
much.